have the hiccups. They're not fun. Wait for it. Or not. Maybe my hiccups went away. This is strange. I just hiccuped like 2 seconds ago, before I started recording this. And today is Tuesday, which means lost. It's really, really exciting. Well, last week's episode was really stupid. Anyway, my hiccups are gone. So, thanks YouTube. Because now I don't have to suffer through another hour of hiccuping. It's really annoying. Sometimes I get a headache from it. Ugh. Anyway. So.
I was just gonna say something, but I forgot. So...
I'm wearing a vest. Check it. Yeah. I like that.
I should be working on homework right now. I have a paper due tomorrow that I haven't started yet. Okay, bye.